Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the crown clip-ins to achieve a high perky ponytail step by step. Let's jump into it. Okay, so I just wanted to go over a few things first, what you'll need before we get started. I recommend to use a mixed boar bristle brush. You'll need your hidden crown rat tail comb, a very strong, thick ponytail holder, your hidden crown claw clip, or any clip will do, and a bobby pin. All right, so to get started, you're gonna section off a circular portion of your hair in the center of your head. Basically, just your crown area. Now, I do wanna point out, I have pretty thin hair volume in the length of my hair because it breaks off really easily. So I wanted to show you, you want to keep in mind that this hair down here is going to be the hair that covers and hides the crown clip-in wefts. So you want to make sure that you have enough hair down to be able to cover and conceal your crown clip-ins. And that goes for back here as well, and on this side and in the front. So for me, I feel like this amount of hair right here might be just a tad too much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take less hair down on the sides, because that's where I have the most thinning, is on my sides. So I've just dropped down a little bit more hair so that I have more to be able to conceal. Perfect. So now I'm going to clip this up and out of the way, just like so. Okay, so now taking my crown clip-ins, there's 3 tracks. I'm going to first apply the largest track, which is the quad weft, and I'm going to apply that along the back portion of the section. So it's a little bit different than how you traditionally put on a clip-in set. You're going to be actually clipping them on upside down, and I'll show you what that looks like. You're going to be clipping it to the hair that's going up into the section that is clipped up here. So you're not going to be clipping it onto any hair that's laying down. So for the 2 sides, instead of clipping them straight across my head, I'm going to angle it in to the section up here. So it goes with the half circular section of hair that you have clipped up. So see how it's now clipped up upside down? So now I'm just going to drop it, and it's just going to lay kind of funky until we're done. So moving on to your 2 side tracks, this is going to be pretty easy. You're going to take one, and I like to place mine right above the first track that you placed on, and then I like to place the second one in the front going this way, which I'll show you in just a second on that one. So I like to feel for where that first track is here, and I'm gonna take that center clip and I'm just gonna clip it right in front of that one, just like so. And then I'm gonna lay that hair down in front, searching for the other 2 clips, and the other 2 clips are just gonna get clipped right in there as well. Okay, so for the last track, you can or you don't have to, you can leave this section clipped up. I feel like I have a little less hair to work around, so I like to let this one go now, and I can still clearly see where I'm going to place this 3rd track. So going away from the face with the hair, I'm going to clip in right along here, but I'm also going to make it go kind of in this way so that it doesn't come out over here and I have a difficult time trying to hide that clip. So I just kind of, so the idea is to clip these on upside down in a center circular area of your crown so that when you pull your hair up into a ponytail, it's really comfortable, it's not gonna hurt, and it's easy to conceal those clips. Okay, so before we go to pull it up into a full ponytail, what I like to do first is to tease the perimeter to help me conceal those clips a little bit more because I have such thin volume in my ends of my length. So I like to take sections that are going to lay, oh, see this clip is, there we go. So I just kind of see which section of hair is going to lay over the clips and conceal them. And then what I do is I take my hidden crown rat tail comb and I just put a little bit of back combing into the root area, just like so. And I just go around and do that around the entire section to hide all the tracks. And you just lift up the clip-in hair and take the section in front of it and tease. Okay, now that I'm looking like a crazy mess, now let's go ahead and pull. We're gonna flip all your hair forward and you're gonna pull it up into a ponytail with your hands. Okay, taking your brush, smooth out all the hair that goes over the clips. Okay, and so to finish it off, take a little hair from the extension. The extension hairs might be a little bit easier to work with to wrap around the ponytail base rather than your own, but you can use your own, that's not a problem. My hair is just a little bit short, so I don't feel like it's gonna work as well. And take a bobby pin and secure that section tightly with the bobby pin. So there you have it, a super cute, perky ponytail that looks like it's your own hair. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to email us at accounts@hiddencrown.com and we'd be happy to assist you further. And also make sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms down below to stay in the know on everything Hidden Crown. And make sure to check out these videos that relate to the video you just watched.